Hash function. Introduction. A hash function is a mathematical function used in data structures to convert a given key into a fixed size value called a hash value. This hash value acts as an index in a hash table where data is stored. The main purpose of a hash function is to provide fast access to data by reducing the time needed for searching, inserting, and deleting elements. A good hash function spreads keys evenly across the hash table. This uniform distribution helps reduce collisions and improves overall performance. Hash functions are widely used in many applications, including databases, compilers, password storage, and caching systems. In conclusion, hash functions are the foundation of hashing and play an important role in designing efficient data storage and retrieval systems. Key properties. A good hash function has several important properties. First, it is deterministic, which means the same input always produces the same hash value. Second, it is efficient, allowing the hash value to be computed quickly. Third, it provides uniform distribution, spreading keys evenly across the hash table to reduce clustering. Finally, it minimizes collisions, lowering the chance that two different keys generate the same hash value. Division method. The division method is one of the simplest and most commonly used techniques for designing a hash function. In this method, the hash value of a given key is calculated by dividing the key by a prime number and taking the remainder. This approach helps achieve a fairly uniform distribution of hash values, especially when the prime number is chosen carefully. The hash function using the division method is defined as h of k equals k modulo m. Here, k represents the key, and m represents the size of the hash table, which is usually a prime number. Let us look at an example. Let the key be 1987. Let the table size be 13. The hash value is calculated as h of 1987 equals 1987 modulo 13. The result is h of 1987 equals 4. Now, choosing the modulus m is very important. First, m should be a prime number. Using a prime number helps reduce collisions and ensures a more uniform distribution of hash values. Second, the table size should be selected based on the expected number of entries. A properly chosen table size helps minimize collisions and improves performance. This program demonstrates the implementation of a hash table using the division method in the C programming language. The program begins by including the standard input-output header file. The size of the hash table is defined as 7. An integer array of this size is used to store the hash table elements. The init function initializes the hash table. It sets all positions in the array to -1, indicating that the table is initially empty. The insert function is used to insert a value into the hash table. First, the index is calculated using the hash function, value modulo size. If the calculated index is empty, the value is inserted at that position and a confirmation message is displayed. If the index already contains a value, a collision occurs. In this case, a message is printed indicating the collision, and the value cannot be inserted. The delete function is used to remove a value from the hash table. The index is calculated using the same hash function. If the value is found at the calculated index, it is deleted by setting the position back to -1. If the value is not found, a message is displayed stating that the value is not present in the hash table. This implementation demonstrates a simple hash table using direct addressing and the division method, without using any collision resolution techniques such as chaining or probing. The search function is used to check whether a given value exists in the hash table. First, the index is calculated using the hash function, which is the value modulo the table size. If the value stored at the calculated index matches the search value, the program displays the message search found. If the value does not match, the program displays the message search not found. Next, the print function is used to display all elements of the hash table. It uses a loop to traverse the hash table from index 0 to the last index. For each position, it prints the index number and the value stored at that location. This function helps visualize the current state of the hash table. The main function demonstrates how the hash table operations work step by step. First, the program calls the init function to initialize the hash table. Next, several values are inserted into the hash table. The values inserted are 10, 4, 2, and 3. After inserting the values, the program prints the contents of the hash table. Then, the program deletes the value 10 from the hash table and displays the hash table again after deletion. Next, the program deletes the value 5. Since 5 is not present in the hash table, the program handles this case accordingly. After deleting the value 5, the updated hash table is printed. The program then searches for the value 4. Since 4 exists in the hash table, the search is successful. Finally, the program searches for the value 10. Since 10 was deleted earlier, the search is unsuccessful. This main function clearly demonstrates the insertion, deletion, searching, and printing operations of a hash table using the division method. This is the output according to the program. Observe the values. Let us now discuss the time complexity of a hash function. The time complexity of a hash function remains constant in all cases, best case, average case, and worst case. It is represented as big O of 1. This constant time performance is very important because it allows hashing-based data structures to operate extremely fast. Now, let us look at the space complexity of a hash function. A hash function requires only a constant amount of extra space to store temporary values during computation. Therefore, the space complexity of a hash function is also big O of 1.